NAGA Munchetty has spoken out after being replaced on BBC Breakfast. Earlier today, viewers of the morning show were left saying the same thing after Victoria Derbyshire and Charlie Stayt stepped in for the presenter, 47. 4. NAGA Munchetty has revealed why she was replaced on BBC BreakfastCredit, BBC. 4. The star usually presents the show Thursday to SaturdayCredit, Getty. NAGA, who has been part of the team since 2010, usually presents the show alongside Charlie from Thursday to Saturday. But the star has been missing from the sofa over the past few days. One fan took to Twitter, asked her today, "Morning NAGA, are you not well lady or having a day off the sofa?" NAGA replied, "Oh well thanks. I'll be with at Chris Mason BC tonight from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. at BBC 5 Live at Radio 4 for election coverage X." The journalist had been busy working through the night as part of the local elections. NAGA shared with her 279k followers on the platform, "That's done. Fabulous night on radio with at Chris Mason BC #election 2022. An amazing team made sure we got the key results to air. Now for a bit of sleep. See you at breakfast tomorrow with the rest of the results." It comes just days after NAGA made an epic on-air gaffe when she accidentally said that Boris Johnson spent his first night in jail. Last Saturday she confused three-time Wimbledon winner Boris Becker with the PM. The BBC broadcaster said, "3 times Wimbledon champion Boris Johnson has spent his first night in prison. He was sentenced to 2.5 years for hiding assets to avoid paying debts." BBC Breakfast airs weekdays on BBC One from 6 a.m. 4. NAGA presents BBC Breakfast with Charlie SaturdayCredit, BBC. 4. NAGA has been a presenter on the show since 2010. Credit, BBC. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.